Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide contact numbers in calls on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On your home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the option key at the top. From the pop-up menu, select Settings. In the call settings, go down and tap on Other Call Settings. Next, go down here and tap on Show Contacts Numbers in Calls. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now, if I turn this on, you can see that on my incoming call screen, the contacts information, the number will be shown right here. So I'll just decline that and I will open up my phone in full screen mode. And you can see that in full screen mode, it will also shows the phone number right here. Now, if we choose to switch it off, then the phone number will not be displayed under the contact's name. So I go to Other Call Settings and we'll switch off Show Contacts Numbers in Calls. And now if I make a call, if I give myself a call now, you can see it will show the contact's name only and it will not show the phone number. And that's it. That's how you can turn it on or off on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.